Can you add your Systemeio blog website to Google Search Console? And the answer is yes. Also, can you rank your Systemeio blog post on Google? And the answer also is yes. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your Systemeio website to Google Search Console and also index your blog post URL to rank high on Google. All right, to do so, first of all, we have to go to Google and type Google Search Console and click on the first result and click on Start Now. All right, click on it. All right, so prior to you getting to this page, you'll be prompted to log in into the particular Gmail account that you want to use to add your blog website to Google. All right, so I've logged in already. This basic stuff like your name, your website address, and stuff like that. All right, it's just simple stuff. All right, so now I'll show you what to do when you get here. So next, select which property type you would like to use. So you have a domain, a URL prefix. Systemeio is a website builder. I'll use the URL prefix. I'll go to my site and double click this. I like to copy. All right, Control C to copy, or right click and copy. Then go back here, click on it and paste it. All right, and now take off the /. But if you have to use the domain section, you just have to type in your domain name.com or your domain name.info or whatever without the www or the https, just like I have here. All right, so then next, click on continue. Then it's checking for verification. All right, so for the recommended verification methods, you have a HTML file. You can use that by just downloading this and upload it to your site, which I don't want to use that. So I'll scroll down and I'll use HTML tag. So click on the arrow down, copy the meta tag below and paste it into your website's home page. It should go in the head section before the first body section. All right, so this is exactly what I'm going to use, because I will paste this in the header section of my website or my blog website, whatever it is. All right, so I'll copy, click to copy, and it's copied to clipboard. And what I'll do, I'll go back to my website, and this is it. So I'll click on it, and remember it says the home page. So then we'll go to pages, and by the way, to get to your site, you just have to have a site. You have website, sales funnels, creator stores, and blogs. All right, so in my case, it's blog website. Yours might be website, but I would not advise you to add funnels and creator stores to Google Search Console, because you need to be writing blog posts, and with sales funnel and creator stores, normally you don't do that. So for websites and blog posts, especially blog posts, all right, so just to take time to explain a bit further, now we have to go to home page. So hover over here and click on edit, and then click on settings, scroll all the way down and click on edit code. All right, so right here, edit code, click on it. All right, and I'll click here and Control V to paste it, and then click on save. It's saved, and I'll click save again. All right, so it's saved, so I'll go back and I'll click done. All right, so once it's done, I'm gonna go here to the menu on top left, click on it and click search properties, and as you can tell, I have it here. Or you can click on it again to check verification. So ownership auto verified. All right, so then click go to property. All right, so by default you're gonna have a message here, but you don't need to worry, it's just what you just did. All right, so with the properties, you click up here, and as you can tell, I have my website right here, and make sure it has HTTPS, which is secured website. If not, Google will not verify and approve it. They want secure website. So when I go back here, as you can tell, when I click on it, see, connection is secure. All right, this is what Google wants. The website is verified. I'll show you how to index your blog post. So I'll go to the website, scroll down, and I would like to end this one first. Record app, click on it and double click to highlight the link, right click to copy, and then go back to Google Search Console and then URL inspection. So click on it. So up here in the search engine, all right, so click in the search engine and paste it there, and just click on enter on your keyboard. Enter. So it's retrieving data. So now URL is not on Google. So what I'll do, I'll click on request indexing. So let's see, it should turn green. It's sent for indexing. So you just have to be patient. So indexing requested. So that means the Google will index this blog post, and you have to do that just so you don't have to rely on Google schedule to index your blog post. It takes time for Google to add your website to the Google search console. All right, so give yourself about a week or so and it should show up. Because right now, if I search for Blogsdom, it's just my YouTube channel. It's not up yet, so I just have to be patient. But in the meantime, I can index all my blog posts, or I can wait after my website has been added to the Google Search Console, which when I search, I can find my website on Google, then I can add all the blog posts. But I decided to show you how to index it, even though it's not yet popping. Like I said, it's gonna take about a week. All right, so just be patient. All right, so this is how you add your website property to Google Search Console and index your blog post. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.